So, do you need some new clothes? We all do, including me, and it's great when the clothes fit nice, are breathable, and overall just nice quality. Fioboc actually sent me some clothes to check out and review, so I appreciate y'all for sending them over. We're gonna check them out now. To start, we will first check out these shorts. These are kind of a newer product, I believe, and they seem pretty cool. I got the white because I'm trying to be a baller. Wow, very soft. First impressions are very soft, nice and stretchy. These are the Active 2.0. They're more of a slim fit, 6-inch length, so that's really nice. So these are the white Fioboc shorts, very cool. Next, we have one of their shirts. Now the shirts are really nice. I just kind of can tell that the fabric is nice and breathable. Ooh, very stretchy, I like that. So, Fioboc shirt, nice and stretchy. I like how it looks, is nice. The material is very nice. I like how stretchy it is, and just it's nice and soft. So I really enjoy that too. And the third item we are going to be unboxing and trying on is more of a dark charcoal shirt by Fioboc. Another slim fit. The material is really nice again. It feels nice and soft. This one's even more of a jersey material. I think kind of mostly nylon. Ooh, so this is a good workout shirt. Nice addition. Oh, this one's even kind of more of like a neoprene nylon rash guard type deal, like a jersey. So that is gonna be nice for hitting the gym, hitting your runs, like the material. Alright guys, I think Fioboc sent something pretty cool here. The clothes feel nice on your body. I like how stretchy they are. They're really stretchy. Like by far, they're like jerseys. I also like how they fit. I went XL everything, and that's usually what I wear. I would say wear your normal size. You could even probably size up a little bit if you want a little more baggy fit. If you want a tighter fit, you can, go your proper size or size down because it is so stretchy. I like my clothes a little bit bigger, so get yourself a nice little deal. And it helps the channel out as well, so thank you. Kind of slowly starting to really become a fanboy maybe. I like how stretchy it is, like I said. Nice and stretchy. One color is kind of more of a silver gray, the other one's dark charcoal. I don't know which one I like yet more. They're both pretty cool. The shorts are also really nice. They're nice and stretchy. I went with XL, I'm a 32 to 34. I do like more room in the shorts. Nice kind of a basketball mixed with a gym short, so that's kind of cool. Again, I appreciate them sending over the gear. I'm stoked to review it and check it out. I think overall, it's some cool gear, guys, so definitely check them out. Again, links in the description. Appreciate everyone for tuning in to another Hero's Journey show. Until next time, peace.